Good afternoon. I'm going to explain the pronunciation of two vowels and two consonants. I'm going to start with the vowel U. This is a short vowel. I have some examples. Cook, book, look, put. You can see. Repeat after me. Cook,
cook,
book,
book,
look,
look,
put.
put.
The second vowel is this. The pronunciation of this is A. I'm going to give you some examples. When you use this vowel, must, mother, jump, cap. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Must,
Must,
mother,
mother,
jump,
jump,
cap.
cap.
Okay, I'm going to explain the sounds of the consonants. I choose this consonant. The sound is sh. I have these examples. China, change, choose, cheese. Listen carefully, look at my mouth and repeat after me. China,
China,
change,
change,
choose,
choose,
cheese.
cheese.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going to finish with this consonant. I have these examples. Sunrise, the beginning, soon, in the beginning, space, at the beginning and in the end of the word. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Sunrise,
Sunrise,
soon,
soon,
space,
space.